Hey guys, JP here with Breathe Massage and Fitness in Littleton, Colorado. And today I wanted to show you guys how to give a fascial stretch throughout the chest and the front of the neck there. So what you want to do is we're essentially going to have our foam roller. We're going to be facing this wall here. We're going to be pressed up against it. But the foam roller is pretty much going to be smack in the middle of our chest there. And all we're gonna do is just a slight rotation so that way it's kind of feels like it's pulling on the skin. It's not actually pulling on the skin, it's actually pulling on the fascial tissue, which is deeply intertwined into the whole musculoskeletal system there. But what we want to do is just feel a nice stretch, especially in the front of the neck, along the collarbone there, on top of the collarbone. And if you want, you can even add a progression where while you're in that stretch, you can tilt the neck up, okay? Technically, you don't even have to be against the wall. You could do it right here standing. Just really push that sucker in and then look up and you'll get a nice fascial stretch. But fascial tissue likes to do things very slowly and patiently. I think it's better to do it up against the wall, but whatever works for you. So it's gonna look a little something like this. So, foam roll in the middle of the chest, okay, right here. Pinching those shoulders back together, really buffing that chest out, okay. Can kind of lean into it so that way you can get a nice amount of weight in there against the wall. And hold. And that is it. Simple as that. I hope this was helpful for you guys. Thanks so much for watching.